Do you want to hike Jiaming Lake but get confused about the application process? If so, you are not alone. I will break it down step by step so you can apply it with confidence and avoid common mistakes. Hi, I am Manusha from Taiwan Hikes. I help hikers explore Taiwan's best trails with detailed hiking guides. If you plan to hike in Taiwan, please subscribe for more trails and planning tips. This video is all about the permit application process. If you want to know more details about this beautiful trail, please visit Taiwan Hikes website. The link is down below. Now let's get started. Jiaming Lake Trail is not located in any national park in Taiwan, but hiking this alpine lake still requires 2 hiking permits. A permit from the Forestry and Nature Conservation Agency, a mountain entry permit from the National Police Agency. Step 1. Visit the website. The link is in the description. You will need to create an account if it's your first time. Step 2. Choose your hiking dates. The application for priority reservation for foreigners opens between 120 and 61 days before the desired hiking date. Priority reservations are available only on weekdays. The agency offers 18 spots for the international hikers at the Shenyang cabin and the Jiaming Lake cabin. The general application opens 2 months to 5 days in advance. Step 3. Preparation. You need the following details for yourself and your teammates. You can take a screenshot to save it for later. Step 4. Go to your account and complete the form. Once you sign into your account, click Mountain Lodge and Campsite Application. Click Priority Reservation for Foreigners or General Application. Both applications follow the same steps. Carefully read the regulations and scroll down to click Agree. On this page, choose the dates you want to hike. Complete the required fields. Remember to check your payment method, online swipe. When you receive the payment, come back here and scroll to the right to see the credit card payment. Remember to complete the details in the number of teams field. Don't change the setting of porter half. In the Jiaming Lake accommodation rates section, click the drop-down to select the total days you plan to stay. Make sure you choose the right cabin or campsite. Some hikers will stay at the Shenyang cabin on day 1 to acclimate to the altitude. Don't change the cloud invoice setting. After you finish, you will see detailed information and how much you will pay to stay at the cabins. Check your information again, enter the verification code, and click Submit. You might see something weird about the repeated dates or this page. Just open a new tab or window. Go back to your Jiaming Lake dashboard and click Booking Overview. If you see your application details there, your application is all set. Now wait for the results. The National Police Agency requires hikers to verify their email addresses when applying. Another option is to apply for your police permit at the Trailhead Police Station when you arrive. Here's how to apply for a police permit online. Go to Mountain Entry Application System. You can find the link in the description below. Please read the rules and click the box marked I understand. Fill in your personal information. There are a few things that might get your application rejected. The date format in Taiwan is year, month, and day. Remember to put a dash after the 4 digit of your cell phone number. This system only takes Taiwan phone numbers. Your application will be rejected if you enter a phone number from another country. Fill in your email address. Put the date of the period of stay and click Verify. Click Search for Destination. A model will pop up. Type in Jiaming and click the search button. The input keyword is case sensitive. Select the second one, Jiaming Lake, the one with Taiwan. Click Confirm. If you search for Chiaming, a different spelling of Jiaming Lake, you will find this one, which is the same destination. Select the second one, the one with Taiwan. Click Confirm. In the first drop-down of the Route Map section, click Guiding of 100 Peaks of Taiwan. Then choose South Section 2 Grand Trail in the second drop-down. If you choose the wrong one, your application will be rejected. Then put your itinerary in the box Plan. Whether you hike alone or with hiking mates, you still need to click Roster to input personal information. Complete the details of each hiker one by one. Your emergency contact person must also have a Taiwan phone number. Otherwise, your application will be rejected. Click Save and Send email to verify your email address. Check your email. You will receive a verification code. The code will expire in 24 hours. Where do you put the verification code? Scroll up to the box next to the email address. Enter the code here and click Verify Email. After you verify, scroll down to the bottom. You will see that the Save and Send email button has become safe. Then click the Submit button. You will get this screen after you submit it. On the same website, click Progress Inquiry and Cancellation. After filling in the required fields, you will see your review status. The review status is still in Chinese, but you can copy and paste the Chinese into any translation tool. There might be other reasons that your police permit application got rejected, but those are the most common ones I've ever encountered. Didn't put Taiwan's phone number, including your emergency contact's phone number. Put the wrong date format. Put the wrong route from the database. You can check application inquiry and cancellation to see why yours got rejected. You will need to apply again. Applying for a police permit can be frustrating, so consider getting one when you arrive at the trailhead. The Xiangyang police station is very close to the checkpoint. This is how you apply for the Jiaming Lake hiking permit. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and check the description box for more Taiwan hiking tips. Happy hiking!